Yeah, so let me start this session with the continuation of VG. So in the last class, I think remember we discussed about the VG and how to hide, say, the planting or the other components. Similarly, we have some more options to discuss related to VG. So let me explain that options first, then we'll deal with the view template. View template is the next level of the VG. Okay. So let me start the session. So for example, to show some more new options, let me open this piping 08 file. You see this option is not in the notes, so I request you to please make a note of this point. So related to visibility, I think remember we discussed how to hide temporarily or using the category or the element option. We also discuss how to hide element or category permanent also. So all this related to the visibility only. So view template also related to visibility. So first, when you type VG, for example, which is a command for visibility graphics, here you can filter the list. You see, if you're not dealing with, say, electrical or say structural, architectural, I can filter this. For example, I'm removing this architectural, structural, electrical, and infrastructure. Okay. So you'll get the options related to what you see, mechanical and piping. Suppose I'm dealing with the HVAC, I want to see the options in the model category or in even in annotation category. You see what I said is available here. So if you want to filter this list as per the required service, that can be done from here, so that you'll get in the list, you'll get the options related to mechanical, including the piping. Okay, piping means the HVC piping, plumbing, as well as the firefighting, all comes under the piping category. So here you see only the ducts, you can find the ducts, you can find this mechanical equipment, pipe, etc. There is no light fixture, there is no other option related to architectural. Okay, so if you want to filter the sub discipline or even the main discipline, it's a main discipline. So if you want to filter the main discipline list in the VG, that can be accessed from here. So if you want, you can make a note of this. This is not in the notes. Next, we have this. You can write one note, as we already discussed, but have not given in the previous session. But if you want, you can make a note of this. You can write VG is limited to current view. VG is limited to current view, comma, with VG, we can work only on category. You see, for example, you see if I remove this duct here and click OK, you can notice the complete duct category is not visible here. Okay, but only part of the duct, if you want to hide, that cannot be done with the VG. For that, we have other option, like how to hide that permanent element with the element option. Again, the category, if you use in permanent or temporary, that's still same like a VG, but VG by default work based on the category only, so you'll not get the option for element in VG. Okay, similarly, you see when I select this pipe here, one more example, if I remove this piping, you can notice the pipe. You see, it can be the plumbing pipe, it can be the firefighting pipe, or it can be the HVC pipe. All will be hidden. You cannot use based on that system. Also, it's going to be as per category in the VG. Okay, we have some more options related to the system that we'll discuss later. You can classify this pipe in the system also. Okay, we can filter the list based on system, but not in the VG. Okay, so VG based on this category. Next, one more option in the VG, which is not discussed in the previous session. For example, let me open one level 1 HVAC plan here, and you can able to see this diffusers. Okay, so again in the VG, let me find diffuser comes under A terminal. So here you see, you'll find this lines which is applicable, pattern is not applicable, transparency is applicable. Which is applicable you can find. For example, when I click this fire protection, all these options are applicable. When I select this flexible duct, only the lines and transparent is applicable. But one more option, which is again not in the notes, so you can write half tone. Half tone option can be used in order to fade. You can make a note to fade to fade the elements, For example, you see this link file, it is in the background now because it's a link file. It's not showing with the actual color. Okay. Similarly, for example, I want to fade this diffusers. Okay. So you can type this VG, and again this A terminal, I'm going to use this option called half tone. So when you click this half tone, you see, you can notice now the diffuser is not highlighting. It is faded like in the background. Okay. So at the time of working, if any object's creating obstruction at the time of working, and if you want to if you want to put in the background view, you can use this halftone option. Okay. Again, you see all these options, what I'm explaining is related to the category. It's not related to the element. Okay. So these are few options, but apart from that, I have some more new options for you. Now, if you want to change this back, all the settings for this view template, for this, diffuser. So again, type VG here, select, then here you'll get the option clear overrides. When you click clear overrides, click OK. Now it's going to be default, the default view as per the Autodesk, and click OK. You see, but faded option is still active, so that you need to manually remove this. You see this options related to this pattern, but the faded you need to do manually. One more option in the VG, for example, here by default, I can click here, I can change this to coarse, or you see this visibility, I can update to the wireframe or to the shaded here. But with this area, I can control the visibility. If you want, you can set with the VG also. For example, here for the duct, I'm selecting, you see, for the whole view, I'm selecting this wireframe. But now when I do these changes, I don't want to change the visibility of duct. The duct, I'm going to fix the visibility. For other item, I can control from here. So for example, here you see, type VG. Now find out the duct. In the duct, you can use this option. Detail view. By view means as per the view, you can control from this view control toolbar. But if you want to freeze this, for example, I'm selecting this fine only for the duct and click OK. Here, if I change this to coarse also, the duct is going to be fine only. That coarse in all option is going to be applicable only for the other items, not for the duct, or same case for the pipe also. Okay. So if you want to control from here for the whole view, you can control like this fine, medium, or this coarse. But in the VG, if you freeze, you see, if you want to use the same by the view, then okay, you can select by view, or else individually I can change. For example, for duct, you see, I select fine. So even if I change the coarse view in using this view control toolbar, the duct visibility is going to be fine only. Okay, like this, you can lock some options in the VG for the visibility. We have some more options to discuss with the view template. Okay, so these are some additional option which is not in the notes related to the VG. But this is not the end for the VG. We have some more options related to VG, because you see, VG is related to all this related to visibility, and visibility will use till the end for all the services. For example, here when I type this VG, you see model category, annotation category, here analytical model category, imported category, etc., and even rivet link. But the concept is going to be same, what we learn. For example, here if I click this model category, you can find this visibility, but the model components. But you see this line pattern or half tone detail is similar in this annotation category. You see the options are limited, but the concept is same. But this annotation category means under annotation, you'll find dimension, text, tags, etc. But model category means the 3D intelligent component. Okay, so the concept is going to be same. Even when I select this annotation category, you can filter with this you can filter this discipline from here, and here half tone option is same, and this override projection option is same, and but the categories visibility is different. Here in the model category, the model components, here in annotation, like you see call out dimensions, the text, etc., you'll find in this area. But the imported category, we have a separate topic. Imported category means is like link. it's going to be a link of that particular 3D intelligent component. But imported means once you import, that component is going to be in your project. There will be no link with the original file. So we have one topic, imported category also. When you import, you can find the imported category list here. So I can import the cat file. Once I import, it's going to be part of your project. There will be no link with the original file. Even you can delete the original file. So you'll find the imported category here, and you can update the options. Again, you see half tone. So the concept is same. Once you get the idea about the VG, then you can use for multiple areas.